Hello guys, my name's Kirby, welcome back to the channel, and today we have this Citreon Berlingo in for an Adblue fault. Now, we already diagnosed this one last week. I will bring up some of these fault codes that we had. So the Adblue tank isn't showing enough pressure in the system, and then up there we've also got the Adblue injector that was leaking and it was all clogged up, which I'll show you. So yeah, let's get on with this repair. So we've got a couple of 13mm bolts that hold it up. We've got this cover here that needs to come off, and we've also got a few electrical connections. One up there, that bit that goes up to the nozzle where you fill. I think there's one on the top as well. Right, once that's unclipped, and then this pipe here, you have to press on the sides. I don't know if you can see it. There's just two tabs on either side, and you've got to press them in and push it that way. You might have to take some of this arch liner out just to pull the hose back. I have got my drainer there just in case any Adblue falls out, because there is some in here, I believe. So now we've just got to get that 13 off, that 13 off, that 13 off, and then hopefully it can slide out from underneath the fuel tank pipe here. It's just above that, so I'm hoping this side drops down and we can swivel it out. Let's see. One. We got some leaks. There's also a little pipe here. You just got one plug. Might be best taking it off from here. Not going to clear that other bolt, is it? Bit of a pain, isn't it? Okay, I think I'm going to have to drop the fuel tank just a tad to get to this. So we'll put one of those on, and in order to do that we've got to take this strut brace down. I'm gonna have to support the tank with my jack, so get this exhaust bracket off. Maybe another 13 up there, and probably another one up there. Maybe some of this heat shield will come with it up to the exhaust. Let's see. Right, the tank is lowered just a bit. You won't be able to see, but I've got it down past the stud. See how they sit on some studs? So yeah, I've just got to undo this, and hopefully then it should all slide out. What a faff. Some other bits to take off up here. So that connection just down there to your right, another push fit in. Okay, with a few of those connections out the way, the tank's also full up. And that is one tank out. We've got to take this piece off here, the pump, because they want it back for a surcharge. Right, I've just emptied the tank and look how much is in there. This is nearly full, and I think this is about 17 litres, 16 litres. So I'm just going to drain it away We're not going to use the old stuff. I've realised I haven't got any of my funnels, they're all up the unit, so I've had to make one out of a little Buxton's bottle. Right, that's the tank all back installed, everything back together. Let's go do that, let's go do the injector, code it all up and fingers crossed. Next up, we've just got to get this Adblue injector out. If I can show you a technical bulletin, if these are leaking, also replace these, which you can see just there that it's all been leaking, and also when I took this off last time it was all clogged up. So for safe measures we're gonna get this changed out as well. And then we've got this little grey clip. If I move you this side, okay. And then that just leaves the injector to pop out. Little 4mm, I think. There we go. Ta-da. And yeah, it's all a bit gunky. New one goes in, it's got these little slots. If I just show you, and it matches up with these slots on here. So, something like that. And then we just got to get that band back around.
You don't work weekends really, do you?
Right, once those are in, you've just got to tell the van that it's had new parts fitted basically. So here I'm doing the additive tank first. And then you've just got to tell the computer how much Adblue is in the system. And that's it completed. Moving on to the Adblue injector. So you just switch the ignition off for 30 seconds, and once that's done, it's all completed.